10 social media tips for indie game developers. Social media can be a game changer for indie developers, but let's face it, it can feel overwhelming. Whether you are showcasing your first game or building your fanbase, these 10 actionable tips will help you master social media and connect with players without breaking the bank. Let's jump right in. First, choose the right platform. Not all platforms are created equal. If you are short on time, focus on platforms where gamers and developers hang out. Twitter, or X, great for sharing quick updates and connect with the game dev community. TikTok and YouTube Shorts, perfect for showing gameplay snippets and creative content. Reddit, ideal for finding niche communities to promote your game. Discord. Now, Discord has become a large platform. Its servers are capable of managing huge communities with thousands of people who can see, respond, or share your game with others. Don't spread yourself too thin. Pick 2 platforms and nail them. 2. Post consistently, but smartly. Posting regularly doesn't mean every day. Aim for 2-3 high quality posts per week. Use free tools like Buffer or Hootsuite to schedule your posts ahead of time so you can focus on your game development, which is the most important thing if you want to be an indie game developer. 3. Share behind the scenes content. Players love feeling like they are part of the journey. Share early concept art, timeless videos of level design, quirky bugs or funny moments during development. How did you made it? This kind of content creates a personal connection with your players and audience. Every characters, behaviors, emotions, stages, levels, everything. 4. Use hashtags strategically. Hashtags are your discoverability tool. Use niche tags like hashtag #IndieGame, GameDev, or Made with Unity to reach the right audience. A mix of trending and nice hashtags works best. Aim for 5 to 10 per post. 5. Create gameplay clips for TikTok and Shorts. Short form videos perform incredibly well. Focus on 10 60-second clips that highlight unique gameplays, mechanics, funny or unexpected moments, exciting visuals from your game. From streamers that you contacted. Add captions using tools like CapCut to grab attention even without sound. 6. Join and contribute to communities. Instead of just promoting your game, become a valuable part of the community. On Reddit, answer questions, share devlogs, and engage in conversations. In Discord, participate in discussions and share exclusive sneak peeks. 7. Collaborate with others. Team up with other indie game developers to cross-promote. For example, you can retweet others' updates or create combined posts showcasing your games together. Collaboration expands your audience organically. 8. Use analytics to improve. Social media isn't sell it and forget it. Regularly check analytics to understand what type of content performs best. When your audience is the most active, adjust your strategy based on the numbers. 9. Host giveaways or contests. Giveaways are a great way to build hype. For example, you could offer a free game key or exclusive digital art to a random follower who engages with your post. It's a win-win for exposure and audience interaction. 10. Build anticipation with a teaser countdown. In the weeks leading up to your game's release, build anticipation with a countdown. Post teasers, hint at features, or release a new trailer. A structured build-up keeps your audience excited. And there you have it, 10 social media tips to get your indie game the attention it deserves. Remember, the key is to stay consistent and authentic. Get a favorite tip? Drop it in the comments below. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more in-depth tips. Thanks for watching.